Hi there, this is Natasha. I'm a crochet tutor and designer at My Creative Butterfly. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced level crocheters. I teach crochet through my courses, classes, and patterns not just as a hobby but also as a tool that will help you become more mindful in your day-to-day life.
So today I am accompanied by Jyoti Sadev. She is my partner in a series of wall arts that we'll be doing in a very nice exhibition that we'll be posting soon on the channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my Etsy shop where I have crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. All the patterns include clear step-by-step pictures which make them extremely easy to follow. Also, don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. I go on all these platforms by the name My Creative Butterfly. I would love to get to know you and see what you are making.